In this video, we are going to see email writing. What is email writing? The purpose of email writing and the types of email writing. First, what is email? Email, which stands for electronic mail or electronic mailer. It is the transmission of messages from one computer to another one. The person who has sent a certain message is called the sender, and the one who receives is called receiver. It is important for communication because it allows user to send information in letter format. Email, which is also used to transfer text, program files, spreadsheets, and even photographic messages. Mailing format can be divided into three main components. One is message envelope, second is message header, and third is message body. Message envelopes, which means the from and to, who is sending a message to whom. The second is message header, which means the subject, which is mandatory when it comes to email. And the third is body, the content of the text. That's the main thing in the email. And the next is the steps that you have to follow while composing an email. You have to choose a program for sending emails, type out email in the recipient box. There are two options you have in mailing. One is CC and BCC. Just select what type of email you have to compose and write the subject of your email. Compose the body of your message. Include any other necessary attachments like photos, videos, PPTs, and PDFs. And there are so many attachments are available. And send the email and check for replies. Before sending your email, just proofread your email. And the next slide is what you have to do while composing an email. First is write a suitable title, which gives an idea about the content of the email in brief. Your title itself shows what you have to going to tell in the body, and capitalize the words in the title. Write the greeting and describe what you are going to talk about, which means the purpose of the message should be in precise, brief, and polite manner. And refer to the attachments. If you attach any files, just name properly to that attachment. Include the action you expect the reader to do. And end the message with proper records and signature. There are two types of email which is regularly being used. We follow. One is informal and another is formal. When it comes to informal, where suppose if we are sending mails to our friends and family, it comes under informal. There are no rules for writing an email of this type, but the another type is formal. Suppose if we send messages to our colleagues or to our teammates or to any other government departments, it comes under formal. Here, certain rules have to follow while composing your email. You shouldn't add any unwanted things like jokes or funny texts. Next is don't. Don't send any untitled emails. Whether it is a formal or informal, please don't send untitled emails. Just try to give the title of the mail. Don't use any shortcut words. Shortcuts words which is not acceptable when it comes to email writings because there are so many other social medias and applications which is available for communication like WhatsApp, social medias like Instagram and many others is available. But email, which we is used for formal messages we used to convey formal messages. So we have to follow certain rules while composing email writing. Don't choose irrespective words and full words. Don't send an empty email. Don't do grammar, spelling, and punctuation mark mistake. This is what I already said in the last slide. You have to proofread before sending any kind of emails. And here I give a format for email. Just see the step that you have to follow while composing an email. First is subject line. You have to give the proper subject line, proper title for the mail. Second is salutation, which is nothing but greeting. Third is the message, the body of the content. Use a proper tone. Don't use any unwanted statement. Your messages should be precise, briefly, and you have to give a proper respect to the sender. And last is closing with a thank you note, and followed by that, you have to enclose your signature below. This is the formal format of email writing. Thank you.